Here's how to convert HEIC to multi-page PDF. So if you have multiple HEIC photos and want to convert them into one PDF, I've got an app for you. It's called ConvertSave, and I actually created this with my brother. He's a software developer. All you have to do is click and drag on your HEIC files, and they're going to be in this order, like top to bottom with whatever you have selected, or whatever order you want. You can drag in one at a time if you want to, or drag in multiple, and this will be your PDF order. So your multiple pages in your PDF are just going to follow this image order. Now we just have to go to select output, scroll down, and we're going to find PDF and multi-page PDF. Of course, you're here for multi-page. PDF will just convert each individual one into their own individual PDF. So we want multi-page so that we have multiple HEIC photos in one. Hit convert and it saves. And that is how simple it is. Convert, save. We made this so that I don't have to go to any more weird, sketchy websites, and now you don't have to either to do all your file conversions. Here's the PDF, we'll preview it, but we basically have the pages here on the right that's just the images, so the HEIC photos, and they're just the multiple pages in that PDF. This works for Windows and Mac. It works totally offline, so you don't have to upload or download anything. You could turn your Wi-Fi off. This will still work. It works with system tools and some open source software like FFmpeg and ImageMagick. A lot of that for you, maybe you don't know anything about, but we've made this tool that basically does all the work for you. Usually you have to do some command line interface type stuff and enter in all this. You have no idea what I'm talking about. Well, now you have this tool you can just drag and drop and convert, and we're going to add some more advanced features here really soon. We're working on some that's going to be kind of really cool to be able to make different adjustments to your conversions. And by the way, this works for video and audio too. I don't know if I said that, but this is an image, video, and audio file converter. Hopefully you find it as a utility that you want to have around and that you value. Let me know in the comments down below if you check it out. Go to convertsave.com, or I'll leave a link down there in the description and the top comment. Thanks for your support, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.